Curious Top Channel 8. Most terrifying insects. Many insects are cute, cuddly, and harmless. We tend to ignore them, unless they annoy us by buzzing over our heads or creeping close to us. But some insects are frighteningly terrifying and downright dangerous. They can inflict intense pain on their enemies that will last for hours or even days. Some deliver bites or stings that can even result in death. Here are some of those most terrifying insects. Giant silkworm caterpillar. This scary-looking caterpillar resides in South America and is responsible for several deaths each year. The giant silkworm caterpillar has tiny bristles that release a potent toxin that is poisonous when ingested. It has been called the killer caterpillar or killer caterpillar, but it is just the larva of a giant silkworm moth. The venom of this insect can cause gangrene-like symptoms throughout the body, leakage of blood in the brain, and even death. The toxin's strong anticoagulant agents will prevent you from stopping the bleeding and ultimately causing death. There have been over 500 confirmed deaths caused by the giant silkworm caterpillar. Bullet ant. The most painful insect sting in the world belongs to the bullet ant. It is also the largest ant in the world and has a powerful and poisonous stinger. A worker ant can be over an inch long and looks like a wingless wasp. The queen ant is about the same size. These creatures have reddish-brown hair and are furrier than other related ants. Bullet ants are more likely found in Central and South America. The bullet ant gets its name from the shot of intense pain it delivers. The venom-filled sting can produce agonizing effects on the recipient for up to 24 hours. The highest level of pain. It ranks higher than the harvester ant, the paper wasp, and even the tarantula wasp. Giant Amazon centipede. With a maximum length of 35 centimeters. The giant Amazon centipede is often considered the largest centipede in the world. It is widely found in South America and the Caribbean, and is also known as the giant yellow-legged Peruvian centipede. This creature's body consists of 21 to 23 well-marked sections, each containing legs. The giant Amazonian centipede is aggressive and nervous, and clings to the enemy with all its legs during a fight. The venom that this animal carries is potent and fatal to many small animals. It is generally not lethal to humans. Even so, the venom causes severe pain, swelling, chills, fever, and general weakness. It can be lethal to those who are allergic to the toxins. Tsetse fly. Like the mosquito, the tsetse fly sucks its blood. But the tsetse fly does this in a much more unpleasant way. The fly has tiny serrations in its mouth that cut through its skin. These insects also transmit diseases, and some can cause an illness known as sleeping sickness. If a person is left untreated, the infection is usually fatal. The symptoms of sleeping sickness begin with fever, headache, and muscle aches. But as the disease progresses, the individual becomes very tired. The person will also experience personality changes, severe confusion, and poor coordination. There are about 2 or 3 dozen species of the tsetse fly, and are found mainly in Africa. This blood-sucking fly is usually 6 to 16 millimeters long and is robust with a yellowish or brownish color. They are mostly found in forests and are most active in the morning. Most attacks on humans are committed by male tsetse flies. Females usually feed on larger animals. Human fly. The human fly looks like a bee, but it has more hair and less bristles. They usually only attack cattle, deer, and humans. The female fly attaches her eggs to mosquitoes. Other flies and insects, which carry the eggs to the host. Body heat causes these eggs to hatch and the larvae begin to penetrate the skin. These flies are often responsible for the loss of beef in tropical America. Human fly larvae cause a raised lesion on the skin that is painful and the area is often hard. Sometimes when the patient bathes or covers the wound, they can feel the larvae moving. Larvae are usually removed by a simple surgical procedure that includes local anesthesia. Larvae can also be removed by applying pressure, but only in certain cases. Antibiotics are given after the procedure, and the wound usually heals in less than 2 weeks.